You're a horrible father. You know what? Fuck you. I'm taking a card.
Fuck you too, you suck my cock!
Your daughter just took a card.
Come on! Nobody likes me! Do you mind? I just want to play the game and I'm about to be an actual owner and I'm about to die!
You know, motherfucker!
I'm supposed to have 4 cards! I'm supposed to have 4 cards, but yet I have 1.
Press reset.
I think you
Fuck my asshole! And not hard.
Thank you, son of a boy! Or sweet slut.
I forgot to press Uno.
Do you understand this, woman?
No. No.
Don't worry! I'm with
Fuck
the
both of you.
I'm
Fuck
with you.
both of you. I'm a beautiful woman.
You look like a bulldog.
The fuck?
The only thing you'll be calling me is daddy in the bed and fuck off when I'm at work. Take my goddamn hand and beat it!
Did you just fucking hit me?
I will shoot! I'm gonna kick the fuck out of Shut up! There's something wrong with you.
You ready for this, matey?
Yeah.
Just grabbing the legs. You ready for this, matey?
It's kind of illegal.
Yar, har, har.
Do you see me?
Har? Where? Oh, I see you. I can see the highlights. I can see your ass highlighted. We love the booty.
I can see your legs.
Fuck you.
Fuck you more.
Fuck you harder. Don't mind if I do. That's right.
I didn't shit my pants.
Good killing,
I
babe.
remember
We're not even playing, he's just sitting in there.
I'm Bonnie, but more scary.
You're my Bonnie. I picked you up on the side of the road.
Ready?
Yar.
What if I play as Balloon Boy since he kind of disables the lights? And you need the lights to stop Foxy.
Good
Team
idea.
up.
Yes.
Wait, other hands, because that's my hook.
Fuck you.
Come on, Foxy.
Good job, Postal Dude.
So you use Balloon Boy and you use Foxy. That's an uncalled for fucking combo. Fuck both of you. Both
It's
of ya. Fuck
the
both of ya.
perfect team up.
Good.
Lagoon.
270. Assignments.
Oh no, here come. No. Damn.
Yeah, this is the Howie Mandela effect, man. I think I've seen these cards before. How do I place the card up there?
Catastrophe, it's not real quick. It's not your turn yet, but this thing, this podium, this white thing will go blue when it's your turn. In order to place it, you walk up to this thing and you drop it in.
Wait, is it random?
No, you get to choose. Go back to your podium. You can choose a color.
Yeah.
Bad move. You're very shit at playing, Sal.
Huh. I'm literally like 7 steps ahead of you, Mom. You
Yeah.
are going to
You're
fucking
not
die.
even at the right podium.
Shut up! I'm the Darkened Warrior, Viltor once demolished many empires. With the one placement of one card, he demolished cities in his name. Lord Viltor, bitch! Listen, once I play my Blue Eyes White Dragon, you're gonna be totally fucked.
I'm never taking you out again.
Shut up, bitch!
You look like you need a Scooby snack, man.
Okay, wait. From the back of the avatar, it looks like Shaggy just shit himself.
It does.
Like, man, I really had to use the fucking bathroom, man. You stupid bitch! You stole it in my cards, didn't you? Oh no, you did! You dumb fucking bitch! You stole my cards! I'm gonna steal your cards! I don't know my own father because he doesn't even look me in the eyes. He always is asleep when he talks to me, even when he's standing. I hate him. What? How'd you do that, you stupid bitch? You think you can fucking fool me? I'm gonna take every single card in your fucking table! You're just a fucking slimy roach of a bitch that no one ever loves, and that everyone's gonna fucking hate by the time they reach 30! You have a Shrek nose. I wouldn't even be talking. If you tell a lie, your nose is gonna literally stab someone in the fucking throat. You put, oh my, oh! You disgusting bitch! But that prescription's fake.
Your hairline.
Fucking
is
faker. How did you do that?
What would Papa say?
Papa would say, like, I
Papa
don't know,
would
like,
probably shoot up the room.
bitch, you look like you were the one that was on the back of the bus. Shut up.
And you look like the one that got baked at the back of the bus.
Bitch, your teeth looks like a McDonald's bathroom. I wouldn't even be fucking talking, okay?
I missed you.
I missed you too, laddie.
Humans are so weird. You are going to help me dominate this realm.
Oh, I'll be dominated.
Right, isn't that right there, baby?
Breathe air. You don't need a gate.
Is that Andrew Tate in the fucking...
If you're sat in a room.
Oh no.
I see it.
That'd be fucking Andrew Tate. God, where the fuck
I
is he?
smoke cigars,
Oh,
but I know what the fuck I'm
Tate's in the bathrooms.
Give me a big fat cigar. I'm risking cancer to look like a mafia boss.
I see you in the bathrooms, you misogynistic fuck. Oh god, oh god. I'm sorry, I take it back. Oh my god,
gonna sit
where
there
is
smoking
he?
cigars
Oh
and going,
fuck, he's getting close.
There. Open the door.
Oh fuck. Oh god. Oh fuck.
Can you open that shit up?
Hello? What? Oh fuck, oh fuck!
You are about to fucking die.
Oh my god! I don't want to go down the slide with you, Ronald.
Looks like he needs a Happy Meal.
Oh my god, that is terrifying on the camera.
Mmm, big guy for a Big Mac, right?
I don't want a Big
Come
Mac.
on, let me in.
No. No.
Oh fuck, oh god! Look! Fuck, close it! Close it! Close it! Close the door!
Looks like he needs a Big Mac.
Catastrophe, that was so fucking scary with like Ronald at my door.
I'm coming for you, kitty. Be ready to close the doors!